सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यंकरवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कार।
नमस्कार सर।
पुनरेकवारं स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः संस्कृत प्रणयिभ्यः। यतोहि अस्माभिः स्वञ्चतन्त्रं पठ्यमानं वर्तते। पंचतंत्रे आदिमं तंत्रम् इतः पूर्वमेव किंचित् कालात् पूर्वमेव समाप्तम् आसीत्। वयमिदानीं प्रारम्भकथायां मित्र संप्राप्तेः प्रारम्भकथायां वर्तामहे, यत्र प्रचलति संभाषणं प्रचलति हिरण्यकस्य मूषकस्य लघुपतनकस्य काकस्य मध्ये यत् संभाषणं प्रवर्तते स संभाषणम् इदानीं अग्रे गच्छ। We are reading the second, we have started the second, having finished the first Tantra Mitra Veda, and in the second Tantra Mitra Samprapti, we are in the beginning, right in the beginning, the prologue where the conversation between the mouse and the crow, Laghupatanaka, is going on. Yes, Srinivas, we can start. Yeah, we are on page 304.
Yeah.
Adyatani Kaksha Vartate, Srinivasa. नवाशीति कक्ष्यायाः संख्या वर्तते नवाशीति 89th class of पंचतंत्र। पठ्यतां श्लोकः।
सुकृत्यं विष्णुगुप्तस्य मित्राप्तिर्भार्गवस्य च बृहस्पतेर्विश्वासो नीतिसन्धिस्त्रिधा स्थितः।
नीतिसन्धिस्त्रिधा स्थितः। नीति sandhi, the alliance of Niti, the policy, that is it, the system of Niti, otherwise Niti sandhi, the chain of Niti is of three types according to three different authors outlined here by, who is speaking here? By Hiranyaka, the mouse is speaking still. Sukrutyam, good behavior, proper conduct, proper action. Sukrutyam Vishnuguptasya. Vishnugupta is another name for Chanakya. Srinivas, Chanakya. Chanakyasya Sukrutyam. The good action, proper execution of Vishnugupta Chanakyasya. The policy of proper action of Vishnugupta, otherwise Chanakya. Mitra Aptihi. मित्रस्य आप्तिः अथवा मित्राणाम् आप्तिः भार्गवस्य शुक्राचार्यस्य। भार्गव is another name for Shukracharya. Shukracharya Bhargavasya mitraptihi. The policy of winning friends or promulgated by Bhargava, namely Shukracharya. That is acquisition of friends is just like Mitra Samprapti, what we are reading now. Bruhaspati Avishwasaha. And what is the policy of the Bruhaspati, Devaguru? Bruhaspati is the policy of Avishwasaha. No confidence, I can say. No, immediately that word comes to me, like in our assembly, Srinivas. No confidence motion. Avishwasaha. Vishwasa is confidence, trust, or no trust, mistrust. Bruhaspati Avishwasaha. So Niti Sandhihi Tridha Stitaha. So there are three types of Nitis promulgated by three acharyas like this. Chanakya Acharya said good action, execution of good action, and then Bhargava, that is the Shukracharya, according to him, is winning the friends is the best policy, and according to Bruhaspati, Avishwasa, Avishwasaha, na Vishwasaha. No confidence, no trust is the policy of the Bruhaspati. So this Niti is Tridha, in threefold standing. It is there available for us in threefold. Tathacha, and moreover.
Mahatapyartha sarena यो विश्वसिति शत्रुषु भार्यासु च विरक्तासु तदन्तं तस्य जीवितम्.
This poem and the previous poem we studied, Srinivas, both are echoing the same sense. What was the avishvaste na vishvasit, vishvaste nati vishvasit, vishvasat samutpannam bhayam, mulanya vikuntati, the other page, in the other class we studied. So here also, mahatapi arthasareda, yo vishvasiti shatrushu, yaha purushaha manavaha shatrushu vishvasiti, believes in his enemies, mahata api arthasarena, with though equipped, though possessed of large amount, large wealth, having a huge wealth, a man who trusts in his enemies, a man endowed with huge wealth, lots of wealth, and believing in his own enemies. And who are the enemies here outlined? Enemies are also here, Shatrushu, Bharyasu, Cha Viraktasu, one who trusts his enemies, opponents, and also disinterested wife here, Bharyasu. Here, Bharyasu means here the wife who is not Rakta, Virakta, who is not interested anymore in her husband. Bharyasu, Viraktasu, Tad Antam Tasya Jivitam. Tad then Antam, Antam Nama, Antaha Tasya Jivitam Antam Bhavati. Tasya Tadrushasya Purushasya, Yasya Purushasya Samipe Mahat Arthasaraha Vidyate, Yaha Purushaha Shatrushu Viraktasu Bharyasu Vishwasiti, Bharyasu Vishwasati, Tadrushasya Purushasya Jivitam Antam Bhavati. Such a man's life is end of his life. That is the end of his life. So two things are told in this poem, Srinivas. Man who having so much wealth, lots of wealth, believes in his enemies as well as his unfriendly, unattached wife, asaktasu, because there is a word here, a wife who is not interested in him, is also a wife who is not interested is also a kind of enemy to the husband, who is a moneyed man, who is a rich man. That is the idea here. Such person's life is as though come to the end. Tad antam tasya jivitam, that comes to an end life. Yes, next.
तच्छ्रुत्वा लघुपतनकोऽपि निरुत्तरश्चिन्तयामास अहो बुद्धिप्रागल्भ्यमस्य नीतिविषये अथवा अत एवास्योपरि मे मैत्री पक्षपातः आह च भो हिरण्यक.
Tachrutva, tat shrutva, having listened to that, Laghupatanakaha api, Kakaha Laghupatanakaha api, Niruttaraha, very beautiful language. Laghupatanakaha api, Niruttaraha, Uttara Rahitaha, Niruttaraha, Chintayamasa, Chintayat. Then having listened to such learned discourse of the mouse, the Mushika, the crow stood with no answer. Laghupatanako niruttaraha. Laghupatanaka became totally without any answer, became silent. Niruttaraha. Chintayamasa. Then he thought like this, oh, buddhi pragalbyam asya. Oh, what do you say? Pragalya means knowledge of science. Pragalyam asya, policy, can say. I'm sorry. Buddhi pragalbyam, the skill of intellect. Buddhi pragalbyam asya. Niti vishay, in what matter? In the matter of, in the knowledge of niti, policy. Depth of his knowledge in science, in the science of policy. Aho buddhi pragalbyam asya mushikasya hiranyakasya niti vishaye, in the matter of niti, niti is a morality, subject of morality. In this, he has got in-depth knowledge. Athava or atayeva asyopari, and the crow thinks, or else this is the reason atayeva asya upari nama asya mushikasya hiranyakasya upari, over this mouse, namely hiranyaka, or else therefore maybe because of this reason, because he has got possessed such tremendous knowledge about policy, may Maitri Pakshapata have such a partiality for making friendship with him. This is the reason perhaps that I want to make, I have partiality for making this mouse my friend, because of his buddhi pragalbhya, because of his skill, because of his stupendous knowledge in Niti Shastra. Pakshapataha. Ahacha, because it is also said. And then he thought like this is a kind of Atmagatam Srinivas in Nataka. Aho buddhi aho chintayamasa, he thought like this. Aho buddhi pragalbhyam asya niti vishayi athava atayeva asya upari Maitri Pakshapataha ahacha bho Hiranyaka. Then he openly said, Bho Hiranyaka, oh my friend Hiranyaka. You can take.
Sakhyam saptapadinam syaditya hurvibudha janaha tasmatvam mitratam prapto vajanam mama tachrunu.
Then this is said by the crow, addressing the mouse Hiranyaka. Bho Hiranyaka, oh Hiranyaka. Sakhyam Maitri Saptapadinam Syat iti ahuhu vibudhaha janaha. Wise people declare, say that friendship has for its making Saptapadinam, that is taking, Saptapadinam means taking 7 steps. Now, Saptabihi Padaihi Gamanena Utpadyam. Saptabihi Padaihi Gamanena Utpadyam. Friendship formed by walking together 7 steps. One meaning, Srinivas.
Yeah.
Saptapadinam Sakyam Atra. Sakyam Nama friendship. Saptabihi Padaihi Gamanena Utpadyam Sakyam. Utpadyam Bhavati Sakyam. Friendship is supposed to be formed after having walked 7 steps together. Or Sahagamanaihi Saptabihi Vakyaihi Va. Walking together and or else exchanging 7 words. There is another meaning for this. Saptapadinam. Sapta means 7, Pada means taking steps, Pada also means words here.
Yeah.
The word Pada has 2 meanings here. Either if one walks down 7 steps, or one walks down along with walking if he also happens to talk also. Walking and talk. Just like we have programs now, walk the talk now, with the Prime Minister, etc. Nowadays, there is a program, you must have seen that. Walk the talk. So going with the VVIP, they have a talk. So like that, 7 steps if 2 people together take, they become friend. Friendship is formed. Or if 7 words are exchanged, if 7 words are exchanged by a person with another person, then Sakyam Utpadyati, Sakyam Sanjayati. Friendship is born. So that is that line. Sakyam, see how cleverly, now here the writer shows the cleverness of the crow in binding and convincing, morally convincing the Hiranyaka, who was totally averse to make friendship with his enemy, natural enemy, namely the crow. How even a natural enemy and even a naturally enemy can be made to form friendship only by words. That is what. Sakyam Saptapadinam Syad iti ahuhu vibudhaha janaha. So, I am not saying, wise people have already said it, that friendship is formed either by taking 7 steps together or by exchanging 7 words together. Tasmat, therefore, tvam mitratam praptaha. You have now become my friend. Tvam Mushaka Mama Mitratam Praptaha. You have now become my friend. Vachanam Mama Tasrunu. And therefore now immediately in the last pada there is a kind of friendly force used here. Friendly force I am calling it. Tasmat Mama Vachanam Tasrunu. Because you have become my friend, therefore you listen to my word. A friend only can command another friend.
Yeah.
How is that he has become a friend? Because we have already exchanged more than 7 words. There is no walking involved here in the case of the,
Yes.
in the present case, in the present context. So he is binding him. Now since we have exchanged 7 words and friendship is formed according to the experts, according to Niti Shastragnas, Buddha, Vibhuda. Therefore, now you listen to me. I am your friend now, listen to me. Similar situation, Srinivas, happens in Mahabharata, I think Savitri Upakhyanam. In Savitri Upakhyanam, Yama comes to take the life of Satyavan. You know that. So when Satyavan's life is being taken, because of her chastity, Savitri, Yama is visible to her. And Savitri doesn't leave him. She goes on arguing with him. Exactly at the same point, Savitri insists that I have walked with you 7 steps and I have walked with you more than 7 steps, more than exchanged several words. So you have become my friend. As a friend, you must now listen to me. And she corners Yama, and makes him release the life of Satyavan.
Yeah.
That is it. Mama Chitram na drishyate bho.
You are visible, sir.
Visible, huh? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I can read on.
Yeah. दुर्गस्तेनापि त्वया मया सह नित्यमेवालापो गुणदोष सुभाषित गोष्ठी कथाः सर्वदा कर्तव्या यदि एवं न विश्वसिषि.
And further, the crow, very intelligent crow. I think crow-like mind of if a human being has, I think he will also be very intelligent. So crows represents here a very intelligent human being, no doubt about it. Durgasthena api tvaya maya saha nityameva alapo guna dosha subhashita goshti kathaha sarvada kartavyaha. Okay, because the fear of Hiranyaka was that crow is the eater, right?
Yeah.
You have no trust in me because I am your natural enemy. Then he suggests further on, now listen to me. That is what these words. Now listen to me because you are my friend. Durgastena api durge tishtaneva. Staying in your Durga, in your fort. What is that fort? A fort like hole having hundreds of holes. A fort having hundreds of holes. Durgastena api, standing in your own fort, staying in your own fort only. Tvaya, by you, maya saha nityameva, along with me. You with me, along with me, eva alapaha. Okay? You be positioned in your own fort and regularly have some kind of conversation, alapaha. You have nityameva alapaha. What kind of dialogue, what kind of conversation should it be? Subject matter is outlined here. Guna, dosha, subhashita, goshti, kataha, sarvada. Always will be talking about what are gunas, what are the good qualities, what are the bad qualities, dosha, subhashita, goshti, kataha, and stories relating to the good sayings of the good people, subhashita, goshti, kataha, sarvada, all the time, kartavyaha. We will be talking only about these things. We will be analyzing what are good qualities, what are bad qualities of people, and we will be studying what are the good sayings of which are there in the, so for us to be. So goshti kataha sarvada kartavya yadi evam na vishwasisi yadi evam tvam mushika na vishwasisi. If you don't believe in me, then there is no problem. You stay in your whole fort, and I'll be staying outside. We'll have beautiful dialogue every day on these lines. That is what tat shrutva.
तच्छ्रुत्वा हिरण्यकोऽपि व्यचिन्तयत्
Vidagdha.
विदग्ध
Vachano.
वचनोऽयं दृश्यते लघुपतनकः सत्यवाक्यश्च तद् युक्तमनेन मैत्रीकरणम्.
See, immediately, as the Vachanam Mama Tachrunu in the previous dialogue, Vachanam Mama Tachrunu, you have become my friend. Mama Mitratam Praptaha Tvam, Vachanam Mama Tachrunu. Therefore, you listen to me, and having said that, Durgasthena Apitvaya Mayasa, etc. Tachrutva, listening to this, Hiranyakaha api, the mouse also, Vyachintayat, Chintayamasa, thought like this. Vidagdha Vachanaha Ayam. Vachano ayam vachanahayam drishyate. Oh, this sounds, this seems, this looks, drishyate, Srinivas, drishyate, vidagdha vachanaha. He said, this looks very intelligent. Huh? This seems very, very intelligent words, very thoughtful, intelligent words. These are said by the crow. Laghupatanakaha satyavakyacha. And immediately it is believed Laghupatanaka is a truthful speaker, truth speaker, truthful speaker. Laghupatanaka satya vakyascha. He is speaking the truth. Tad, therefore, yuktam anena, yuktam samanjasam anena laghupatanakena maitri karanam. Therefore, it is yuktam, it is quite proper, anena, with this, anena laghupatanakena maitri karanam yuktam. Therefore, it is quite fitting, proper to form friendship with this guy, namely Laghupatanaka. So the rat resolved to make friendship now with the words, totally convinced. That is the force of argument forwarded by the crow Srinivas. Yeah.
Ahacha bhoho bhavatvevam param tvaya kadachit mama durge charanapatopi na karyaha uktam cha.
And then even at this point of time, having believed in the crow Laghupatanaka, the mouse seems to be having still reservation, still there is some doubt lurking in its mind that is expressed here, Srinivas. Ahacha, and the mouse said, just like the crow thought and said, the mouse said, Ahacha, Hiranyaka, Bhoho, Bhavatu Evam. This is the consent given by. Bhoho, oh come on my friend, Bhavatu Evam, let it be. Param, but. No, param is but is a very dangerous word, in conversation, any time. But is a bit of poison. My teacher used to say that, English teacher. But is a bit of poison. In any conversation, where everything goes smooth, the moment the speaker says but, then what is going to come, nobody knows. But tvaya nama Laghupatanakena kadachit never mama durge, mama randhra durge, charanapataha apina karyaha. But you should never ever keep your foot in my fort. You should never step into my fort. Param tvaya kadachit mama charanapataha apina karyaha. You should never keep a leg in my fort. Never you do that. Never enter into my fold. Literally, you never put your feet in my fort, but never otherwise enter into my hole. Uktamcha, because it is said. Because it is still 99% the mouse is convinced. There may be 1% doubt about his new friend. Then he utters this. Yes, read.
Bhita pura shatruhu mandam visarpati bhumau prahelaya paschat jara hastonganasviva.
So here, how, because he is also a Niti Shastragna, the Hiranyaka here, the mouse. He says, Bhita bhitaha, timidly, being afraid, pura, first, shatruhu, pura, firstly, in the beginning, shatruhu, mandam, bhitaha, mandam, visarpati. An enemy, it's a beautiful description actually. This is applicable to the border forces also, Srinivas.
Yeah.
Now, how the Chinese or the incursions, happen in the border area, which has happened recently, which happened in Kargil war or whatever it is. Slowly, they scared only, mandam, very slowly but timidly, they move. Pura, first, Shatruhu mandam visarpati. Enemy moves slowly, with, but at the same time being scared. Bhita. Slowly enters. Enemy makes an entry. Bhumau prahilaya paschat. Then he takes on the ground. Bhumau prahilaya paschat. Then he very sportively, prahelaya means very sportively, very speedily, bhumau, then very speedily, mandam visarpati, anantarakale, shatruhu bhumau prahelaya, tvaraya, paschat, anantaram, kim karoti, paschat, afterwards, jara hasto anganasu iva. A very crude type of example is given here. Jara means paramour. Jara hastaha anganasu iva. Like jarasya parastri gamana tatparasya hastaha. Jarasya parastri gamanasya gamana tatparasya. Parastri gamana tatparasya hastaha. Angana stri. Anganasu iva. Just like debauchee, Jara means a loose character person, slowly moves his hand on women and then takes over them. Similarly, an enemy moves very slowly in the beginning, in a scary manner, and then he moves very freely on the ground. The comparison here is Shatru with Jara, a paramour or a loose character person. Yeah. Tachrutva.
श्रुत्वा वायसाः भद्र एवं भवतु ततः प्रभृति तौ द्वावपि सुभाषितगोष्ठी सुखमनुभवन्तौ तिष्ठतः परस्परं कृतोपकारो कालं नयतः.
Immediately the crow Laghupatanaka agreed to this condition, one condition only. You should never enter into my fort. You should stay outside because this is how the enemies are like that. Tachrutva, listening to that, Vayasaha, Kakaaha, he said, Bhadra, my friend, Evam Bhavatu, let it be, no problem. Tata Prabhuti, from that time onwards, Tau Dvau Api, Tau Dvau Api, Tau Dvav Api Ayadisandi, Subhashita Goshti Sukham Anubhavantau, enjoying the happiness, comfort of talking about the Subhashita, Tishtataha, they stayed. Parasparam, mutually, Kruta Upakaro, they were also helping each other. In friendship, later we come to know what are the characteristics of friendship. Giving, feeding, eating, and etc. etc. Beautiful poems are coming up. Parasparam, mutually, Kruta Upakaro, helping each other mutually. Kalam nayataha, they were spending the time. Yeah. Next page.
लघुपतनकोऽपि मांसशकलानि मेध्यानि बलिशेषान्यानि वात्सल्यात् हृतानि पक्वान्न विशेषाणि हिरण्यकार्थमानयति.
Now one may want to know what kind of friendship is formed here between the two natural enemies, and how are they getting along? How was the friendship going on? So the writer says, Laghupatanakaha api, Laghupatanaka namatra vayasaha, kakaha. The crow also, mamsasya shakalani, pieces of meat, flesh, mamsasya shakalani, medhyani. Medhyani means belonging to, Medhyani mamsa shakalani you can take here, belonging to sacrifice. you know, in sacrifices, people offer mamsa, bali, right?
Yes.
Medhya is that belonging to sacrifice. Holy remains of sacrificial, etc. Medhyani mamsa shakalani, baliseshani anyani, and other remainings of bali. Bali means offerings. Baliseshani anyani and other things. Vasalyat, out of affection, friendship. Vasalyat ahrutani were brought. Pakva anna viseshani, and also the crow brought to the friend Hiranyaka pakva anna viseshani, ripe, that is cooked food, Srinivas. And also it brought cooked food, having brought and other eatables, etc. Hiranyakartham, Hiranyakaya, Hiranyakartham anayati, he brings. So every day the crow would bring pieces of flesh and rice items and other offerings of the bali to the Hiranyaka. Hiranyakartham Hiranyakaya anayati. And then, okay, this is the offering from the side of the crow, who forcefully made the rat his friend. Hiranyakaha api. Hiranyaka also reciprocated. That is what the right is.
तण्डुलानान्यंश्च भक्ष्य विशेषात् लघुपतनकार्थं रात्रौ आहृत्य तत्कालायातस्यार्पयति अथवा युज्यते द्वयोरप्येतत्.
Then how did Hiranyaka reciprocate with the crow? Laghupatanaka Hiranyakaha api. Hiranyaka also. Tandulan anyamscha. What can the rat bring, Srinivas? Rat cannot bring pieces of flesh. So, Tandulan anyamscha, rice and other things. Bhakshya Viseshan, eatables. Hiranyaka also brought the rice and other eatables. Bhakshya Viseshan, Laghupatanakaartham. See the word above, Hiranyakartham, here Laghupatanakaartham, Vayasartham, Kakaartham, Kakaya, Ratrau Ahrutya. When would this Hiranyaka get these eatables? Ratrau, at night. Ahrutya, bringing them. Tatkala ayatasya. And whenever the crow came, the daytime only, na? Tatkala, whenever. As soon as Tatkala means here, Tatkala reservation railways. Tatkala means when as he approached. Yat kale, yasmin kale sa kakaha agatavan, tatkale. The time when the crow came over there, tatkale, ayatasya, agatasya, arpayati. And the rat would offer to the crow whenever the crow came over to the fort, near its home fort, atava, or else, yujjate dvayoho api etat. Or this is very fitting for both of them. Athava yujjate dvayoho api etat. Kim yujjate adaha likitamas. What is proper between the two? Uktam cha, it is said.
ददाति प्रतिगृह्णाति गुह्यमाख्याति पृच्छति भुङ्क्ते भोजयते चैव षड्विधं प्रीतिलक्षणम्.
Very beautifully here, like in Bhartruhari Subhashita, we studied one poem.
Yeah.
Papan nivarayati yojayate hitaya guhyam cha guhati. Same word is used there.
Yes.
Guhyam cha guhati gunan prakati karoti. Apadgatam na jahati dadati kale. Dadati also here. Shand mitra lakshanam pravadanti santaha. There also Bhartruhari Mahakavi talked of 6 qualities. Here also Vishnu Sharma is speaking of the 6 qualities, opening with dadati. So Shadvidam means of 6-fold. Preeti Lakshanam, the Preeti Lakshanam means the characteristics of Preeti, affection, friendship. The characteristics of friendship is of sixfold. Okay. Now let us count. Dadati. Firstly, Dadati. In friendship, one gives. Okay. X gives, Y accepts. Kakaha dadati, mushikaha pratigruhnati. Let us give here example of the same. Okay.
Yeah.
Then guhyam akhyati. Well, this is not possible for these birds and animals, but human beings. Guhyam rahasyam akhyati katayati. In friendship, one friend tells his secret to another friend. That is what Bhartrihari said, guhyam cha guhati. A friend protects, hides the secret of his friend. But here, the other way it is said, Srinivas, guhyam akhyati katayati. A friend tells his secret to his friend. There, the other way it is put, guhyam guhati. A friend, that means a friend who is told is the secret, keeps up the secret as secret. The same thing. Guhyam akhyati, tells the secret to his friend. Pruchhati. Now, this is not there in Bhartrihari. Pruchhati, he also asks his friend. Like earlier only now, the Lagupatnaka said, you have become my friend, therefore, tasmat srudu mama vachanam. So, asking, forcing the friend, asking the friend. Third one, fourth qualities, pruchhati. Bhungte, he eats, enjoys, friend enjoys, and also makes his friend enjoy. Bhojayate chaiva.
Sir, pruchhati can be taken as dukkha samaye karanam pruchhati.
Anything, asking friend about his dukkha karana, sukha karana, or well-being, anything could be that. Yeah, you said. What you said is. So, only a friend can ask, question his friend. The idea is only a friend can question his friend, right?
Yeah.
And a friend will not get upset or offended. When a friend is questioned by another friend, he will not be feeling offended. Bhungte, he enjoys, and not only he eats or enjoys, but bhojayati, he also makes his friend enjoy. Eat. Chaiva, shadvidam, priti lakshanam. These are the 6 characteristics of friendship. Preeti here means sneha lakshanam. Mitra lakshanam. Next.
Nopakaram vina pritihi kathanchit kasyachit bhavet upayachita danena yato deva abhishtadah.
Something said very rightly here, Srinivas, that I sometimes there is one institute, it is, I don't know whether it is there now or not, Rouse, IAS Institute, Rouse. You heard about it? One Mr. Rao was dropped from the selection of IAS final list, final interview. They say that he must have also told when he was not selected for in the finals, he opened up an institute to coach people to become IAS, how to face IAS interview. So Rao's IAS Institute was very famous in Delhi, and a branch was there in Hyderabad long back. I don't know whether it is there or not. Many have come up now. Many institutes, coaching institutes have come.
Yeah.
So one of his lecture, I remember, Mr. Rao himself said that corruption in India starts with mothers only, and everybody is taken aback. What kind of a statement this is? Corruption starts in India right from childhood, from mothers only. Mother tells the children, come on, you eat this, beta, I will give you this. If you eat this, if you do the homework, I will give you this. If you do this homework, I'll give you this. What is this? The same thing when he grows up to a big officer, he will not do any work of his which he is supposed to do unless he is given something buck under the table. Understand?
Yes, yes.
I am reminded of that. He said, Hiranyakopi Tandulan Oh, sorry, we are reading the poem, na? 52.
Nopakaram vina pritihi.
Na upakaram vina. No, it says pritihi katam chit kasya chit bhavet. Upakaram vina pritihi katam chit kasya chit na bhavet. There will be no affection, no friendship anywhere and to anyone without upakara. Upakaram vina upakaram.
Yeah.
Without a favor, there will be no affection to anyone anywhere. Anyway to anyone. Katam chit kasya chit pritihi na bhavet. There will be no affection. Upakara must be done. Then he says, Upayachita danena. Upayachita danena means a promise of gift. Now that is why I am reminded of Rao's statement. A promise of gift. Upayachita danena yataha, because deva abhishtadaha. Devaha api abhishtadaha. You know, even gods are the providers of our desires only when they are promised something. Only when they are given some gift. Now this is related to the yagna kanda. We do yagna. They say when yagna is done, who is the person targeted there? Indra. Right? Yagna is performed to please the Indra.
Yeah.
And what does Indra give? Even Kalidasa says that. In Raghuvamsha he says both the king Dilipa and Indra both maintained this universe. Dilipa used to offer yagna to the Indra, and Indra in turn used to give plenty of rain when Dilipa was ruling. So Vinimayena, Artha Vinimayena, that sloka I am not getting. So both maintain this world by mutual give and take. The gods also give you back only when they are promising something, isn't it?
Yeah.
Devapi abhishtadaha. Abhishtadaha means they give you varadaha. They become varadaha bhavanti. Devaha api. Kada upayisha danena. Upayachita danena. Upayana danena. Upayanam means gift. By offering gifts to the gods, only they become the varadas. They fulfill our abhishta, our desire. So we have to, when we do certain yajna with a certain purpose, it is nothing but upayachita dana only. It is not ayachita, it is upayachita. Isn't it, Srinivas?
Yes.
Next sloka, one more sloka is.
Tavat pritirbhave loke yavaddanam pradiyate vatsah kshirakshayam društva parityajati mataram.
He is giving very popular example here. Tavat pritihi bhavet loke. Loke, in the world, tavat pritihi bhavet. So long shall be the affection, love, whatever you call priti. Priti is love and affection, friendship. It can also be friendship, Srinivas, priti.
Yeah.
Priti is friendship, love, affection. So long it will be there in the world. Tavat, so long. Priti bhavati loke yavat, as long as danam pradiyate, as long as dana is given, as long as gifts are given. Now that is why I think even our political leaders, they very learned people they are, Srinivas. Party fund, have to advance some party fund. In the name of party fund, how much they knock off, Otherwise your work will not be undertaken. Tavat pritir bhavet loke yavat danam pradiyate. As long as dana is given, so long there will be affection. This world is like this. This is where this Panchatantra teaches us Vyavahara, how to go about our life smoothly. If you say you close your fist and don't donate a pie, you can't get things done. You close your hands. I don't want to give anything to anybody. They should do on their own. If you say, nothing goes. See, it is reflected here. Even gods won't give you anything. What to speak of human beings? So, tavat pritihi bhavet loke yavat danam pradiyati. Vatsaha, example is Vatsaha Kshirakshayam Društva. Vatsaha, the calf, Matuhu Kshirakshayam Društva, having seen the end of milk, Srinivas, Kshirakshayam.
Yeah.
When the calf sees that no more milk is coming from its mother, Parityajati Mataram, it leaves the mother. Even a calf leaves its mother when there is no more incoming of milk.
Yeah.
So, a calf is, that is to say, a calf is attached to its mother so long as there is milk coming. The moment the milk is stopped, no more the vatsa, the calf is attached to the mother. It leaves the mother. So, as long as there is vinimaya is there, Srinivas, artha vinimaya, upayana vinimaya, exchange of gifts, exchange of money, exchange of things, there will be friendship. The whole poems, all poems tell us that in friendship there must be dana, pratidana, and all the 6 characteristics which are outlined in 51 poem. Unless these things are there, there won't be any friendship. Even a calf, an animal like calf, leaves its own mother, seeing the cessation of milk. Right, next.
पश्यदानस्य माहात्म्यं सद्यः प्रत्ययकारकं यत्प्रभावादपि द्वेषी मित्रतां याति तत्क्षणात्.
And on the other hand, you can make even an enemy your friend by dana. That is why we see in our films also. Now let us relate it to films. The villains or the villains only, people doing all wrong sorts of activities, they come with costly gifts to the official. You understand? In cinemas,
Yeah.
they either come up with a beautiful car gift. See, this sloka tells that cinema. Pashya, look, dhanasya mahatmyam. Look at the greatness of this gifting. Sadhyaha pratyaya karakam. Immediately it makes you believe. It becomes pratyaya karakam, means it immediately turns into belief. It makes your opponent believe you. Vishwasa karakam. Sadhyaha means shigram. Pratyaya vishwasa karakam. It see the greatness of gift that it turns the other person immediately believe you. You understand my point?
Yes.
Cinemas.
Yes, sir.
Cinemas, they send you, like they say, if I should not use the word, हमारे साहब के लिए हमारे साहब भेजे छोटी सी तोहफा, हिंदी छोटी सी तोहफा, and they term it as a very small, bigger and bigger gifts are going to follow if you accept our proposal.
They park a Benz car and say,
yeah, a small gift. They park before a bench car and say it's a small gift, and you will be seeing many more gifts, bigger gifts like that. Yet prabhavadapi, because of whose influence, dveshi mitratam yati, shatruhu mitratam yati, even an enemy becomes a friend. Tat kshanat, immediately, Srinivasa. See the prabhava. Pashyadanasya mahatmyam, prabhavam. Pashya danasya mahatmyam. See the greatness of this gift. Tat kshanat, immediately. Dveshi shatrurapi mitratam yati yat prabhavat, because of its influence. Oh, this is laukika vyavahara, Srinivas.
yeah.
One should understand how to get your things done. One should be a good manager. How can one be a good manager? By studying Panchatattva. You want to be a good manager, read Panchatattva. That should be our saying. Yeah, next.
पुत्रादपि प्रियतरं खलु तेन दानं मन्ये पशोरपि विवेकविवर्जितस्य दत्ते खलु न निखिलं खलु येन दुग्धं नित्यं ददाति महिषी सुसुतापि पश्य.
The writer here, Vishnu Sharma, is showing how even among the animals also, dana plays a dominant role. how even here given a she buffalo here. Yeah, she buffalo, Maishi. A she buffalo leaves its, does not care for its child when it is fed with something, offered with something. Yeah, let us see the poem. Putradapi priyataram
Putradapi.
kalu. Huh? Yeah, that is the sloka. What happens, Srinivas?
Yeah, that is the sloka. Putradapi priyataram
Putradapi priyataram kalu tena danam manye. So, who is saying all this now? Hiranyaka is saying. Hiranyaka is so learned, he is lecturing to his friend. Hiranyaka. Oh, wait a minute. No, writer is saying, Srinivas.
Yes, sir. It is by writer only.
Only by writer. Writer is saying. So, you have to take them directly. Putradapi priyataram khalu tena danam manye. I think he says danam, charity, gifting is more dearer than the son. Putrat api priyataram khalu, indeed. Tena danam manye. Pashorapi viveka vivarjitasya. See, what to say about human beings? I think even animals devoid of viveka, discrimination, discrimination, value, give importance to offering this gifting more than their offspring. Putradapi priyataram khalu tena danam manye pashorapi viveka varjitasya. Here putra is referring to pashoho putra here. Putradapi priyataram khalu tena danam manye. I think even in the case of the viveka vivarjitasya pashoho api, viveka vivarjitasya viveka rahitasya pashoho api manye putradapi priyataram khalu danam tena danam. Therefore, tena danam, this offering, this gifting is more dearer even to the viveka rahitasya, viveka shunyasya pashorapi, even to the animal which has no such discretionary power or discriminatory power. Datte kalu nu nikhilam. There is a mistake here, Srinivas. I was looking at. Datte is there, na? Kalu should be khale. Khale. Srinivas.
Okay, sir.
Datte khale. Khala means here, the datte khala, the second next kale is a oil cake, Srinivas. When the khala, the word khalaha or kalam, it is ubayalinga, kalam or khalaha, oil cake or sediment of oil, that is called kalam. Datte kale sati, when this oil cake is fed to the animal, the sheep buffalo, datte kale, kale it should be read, datte kale sati, understood? Nikilam kalu yena dugdam, nikilam kalu, nikilam kalu dugdam, nikilam samastam kalu dugdam, samastam kalu payaha, milk. When a sheep buffalo is fed, datte kale sati, mahishi, when a sheep buffalo is fed with the oil cakes, nikilam dugdam payaha kalu yena nityam dadati. And that buffalo gives every day whole milk, complete milk. Mahishi, she buffalo, sasuta api pasya, though having a son by her side. Understand? Nityam pratidinam mahishi datte kale sati nikilam samastam dugdam payaha yena, so that by thereby dadati. Sasutapi, sutena sahitapi, mahishi samastam dugdam dadati. Kasmai dadati? Khala datre, to the person who feeds the oil cake. That means not caring its child. That is why putradapi, that is why it is said, putradapi priyataram khalu tena danam manye pashorapi viveka vivarjitasya. Even a stupid animal also is influenced by the dana. When it is fed, it doesn't care for its child and gives all the milk out. That is.
What is this nu, sir? Datte khale nu.
Indeed, no, nanu. They are some padapuranas.
Oh, he, just like he.
He, yeah, just like he only. No, he, they are both same.
Okay. Kim bahuna प्रीतिं निरन्तरां कृत्वा दुर्भेद्यां नखमांशवत् मूषको वाजसश्चैव गतावेकान्तमित्रताम्.
So having said all these things, the writer says, Pritim Nirantaram Krutva. Having entered into a friendship, Nirantaram, without any antara, without any break, uninterrupted friendship. Preeti. He is using throughout Preeti Shabda Srinivas for friendship here. Pritim Nirantaram Krutva. Nirantaram Pritim Krutva. Having formed a continuous friendship, uninterrupted friendship. Durubhedyam Nakamam Savat. How was the friendship between the earlier we have seen the friendship between our Pingalaka and Sanjivaka in the Mitra Bheda. Now here he is showing here no Mitra Bheda, Mitra Samprapti only. The writer has taken two contrasting enemies, natural enemies, and made them bound in friendship through gifts. Srinivas.
Yeah.
He has made two natural enemies friends by gifting. Priti Nirantaram Krutva Durbhedyam Nakamam Savat. Durbhedya means hard to break. It is very hard to break. Dur Dukkena Betum Shakyati. Durbhedyam, that which is very difficult to broke open. Nakamam Savat. Like what? Naka, the nail and mamsa, which are two very close together. Wherever there is nail, underneath the nail there is mamsa. You can't take, if you take out mamsa, then nail will not be there. If you take out the entire nail, mamsa will be damaged. So like that, the relationship between these two was like the inseparable friendship between, closeness between the nail and the flesh. Mushakaha, that is Mushakaha, Vayasaha, Kakaschaiva, Gatau, Gata Ekanta Mitratam. They have become soul friends. They became fast friends. Ekanta Gatau. You know how do you break this Sandhi last? Vayasaha cha eva Gatau. Ayadi Sandhi. Gatau Ekanta Mitratam. Ekanta Mitratam means they became absolute friends. Total friends. Ekanta Mitratam. Ekanta Mitratam Gatau. Kau Gatau Mushakaha Vayasascha. Hiranyakaha Lagupatanakas Ekanta Mitratam Praptau. They got this absolute friendship like this. Giving.
Evam Samushakaha तदुपकार रंजितः तथा विश्वस्तो यथा तस्य पक्षमध्ये प्रविष्टः तेन सह सर्वदैव गोष्ठीं करोति.
Now the friendship has reached such a climax, Srinivas here. Evam, in this way, Samushakaha, that is Hiranyakaha, that Hiranyaka, the mouse, Tad upakara ranjitaha, being entertained by the gifting of the crow. Tad tasya lagupatanakasya upakarena ranjitaha toshitaha, being pleased by the upakara favor done by the crow in this manner, the mushaka, the mouse, tatha, so much vishwastaha, it started so much believing in him. It started so much relying in the crow. Yatha, as tasya pakshamadhye pravishtaha san. It believed so much. Earlier, what the rat said, you should not enter into my fort. Parantu, you understand that?
Yes.
Kintu Durga Madhyena padam na stapitavyam iti. He has forgotten that, all that. Now, yatha, so much, tasya paksha madhye pravishtaha. The rat entered into the wings Paksha Madhya means into the crow's paksha, the wings. It got into the crow's wings. Pravishtaha tena, along with him, tena saha, sarvada eva. All that means the rat is so closely moved with the crow, came very close to the crow. Sarvada eva goshtim karoti, always given to talking, discussions, etc.
Shall we stop here, sir?
Yeah.